Victorians have done an amazing job over recent weeks and months. We in Melbourne and across Victoria are well placed to have a COVID-safe summer.
Premier Daniel Andrews has announced major changes to the COVID restrictions in place around Victoria. The 5-kilometre restriction on travel has been widened to 25 kilometres. The number of people allowed to gather outdoors has increased to 10 from 2 households. The 2-hour time limits for exercise or social activities have been scrapped. Non-essential outdoor home maintenance can occur with a maximum of 5 workers. Subject to COVID-safe conditions, tennis, skate parks, golf courses and hairdressers will reopen. Outdoor pools can host 30 swimmers, and indoor pools can have one-on-one sessions. Real estate auctions can occur with a maximum of 10 people.
You've got to get the sequence right. You've got to fix the health problem first, and then you can move on to do the other important work.
Further changes will be put in place from 11:59 on Sunday, November 1 in metropolitan Melbourne. The 4 reasons to leave home will be removed. 2 people plus dependents once a day will be allowed to visit homes. Retail will reopen and beauty and personal services will return. Hospitality venues will be allowed to open with a maximum of 20 people inside and 50 people outside. Contact sport for under 18-year-olds and non-contact sport for adults will recommence. 20 people will be allowed for outdoor religious gatherings. 10 people will be allowed at weddings, and 20 mourners will be allowed at funerals. Outdoor seated entertainment can host a maximum of 50 people, or 25% of the venue's fixed seated capacity. Travel will be allowed for fire and flood prevention measures in regional Victoria for those who live in Melbourne.
Yes, these lockdowns have come with significant hurt and pain and damage, but this strategy is working and will continue to work.
Restrictions are also changing in regional Victoria from 11:59pm tonight. 2 people plus dependents will be allowed in a home. Hospitality venues can increase capacity to 70 outside and 40 inside. Outdoor religious gatherings increase to 20 people. Indoor pools can have 20 swimmers. Libraries can open with 20 people, and households can visit a care facility.
I've announced today what is safe but will not undermine the sacrifice, the hard work, the pain, the amazing efforts that Victorians have put in, and quite frankly, on an international scale, the quite amazing job that we as Victorians have done to drive these case numbers from more than 700 down to single figures for 5 days in a row.